Suppose every heat exchanger with process fluid coming in here and exiting here, and you have steam entering and exiting as condensate. We are using steam to control the temperature of the process fluid. We know that if we increase condensate or steam, we're going to increase our process fluid outlet temperature, and we're going to decrease the water level within our heat exchanger. Our normal operating control variable is the temperature of the process fluid. However, we have an abnormal control variable. This heat exchanger has a level to it. And as you decrease this level, you might have steam potentially blow down through the condensate valve, which is not good. So we need a low level override controller to make sure if our level is getting too low, then we need to decrease the amount of condensate exiting through the heat exchanger. Since we know that condensate and water level have a negative gain, and we need a low level override controller, we have negative gain and low set point, we need a low select function block, as we can see here. As you can see, we have 3 blue dotted lines. The first blue dotted line is set point for the process fluid outlet temperature controller, which is controlled by the condensate valve. The second blue dotted line is set point for the override controller for water level. And the third blue dotted line is the initial value for the condensate controller output. Each vertical red line is a different sampling period. Suppose at time 2, the water level goes below its low set point, then the condensate controller would be overridden by the water level override controller. Thus, the condensate controller would decrease its value until water level converges back to set point. Since we decrease the amount of condensate, which decreases the amount of steam going through the heat exchanger, we would also decrease the process fluid outlet temperature. So this example showed a normal operating control variable or process fluid outlet temperature coming out of a heat exchanger. But then we also had a water level within the heat exchanger to make sure we do not have steam blowing down through the condensate valve. I hope this override controller video helped, and I hope it helps you understand override controls better, and I hope everyone has a good rest of their day. Thank you.